please.
So what about using instead of like you said the deer milk or what coconut milk or almond milk or things like that?
Okay, so that's a good question, and Baruch Hashem, I did a big research. So somebody asked me a question many years ago. It's very interesting. So I think they just introduced this almonds milk. They introduced almonds milk, OU, right? It says stamp OU, and it says dairy, OUD. So and on the container it says it's not milk. There is a non-dairy product and like dairy free everywhere. So how is it D? So I called OU and I talked to them and said like, is it dairy, not dairy? Is it a dairy equipment? So even a dairy equipment, so somebody who's allergic to milk, so would have an issue. So they say sometimes it's a dairy equipment, sometimes not. So they're not like the dairy equipment, residue from dairy could be the minimal, maybe for sure less than 160, for sure. But since we're not sure, so he said we say OUD, but technically it is parv. And coconut milk, of course, there is no dairy there, unless they use they extract from the milk to make it whiter, to make it white for a white color. So for them it's not dairy, and so you have to. So I asked this OU, and I then call again about this soy milk. They also asked me. So I mean it's not clear. So they explain. Of course you have to go brand by brand. You cannot generalize it. I have to disclose. You have to go brand by brand, and they told me. So we give you a guarantee for 30 days. So because this company have a 30 days, if they change some ingredients and now it's a real dairy, they have to notify the Kashrut agency. So that's how it works. So me personally, I use this almonds milk. We don't drink regular milk, but okay, it's not whatever for whatever reason, right? I use almond milk, but I treat it as a dairy milk, but it's not. Right, so but we're trying to be careful. I don't want to call them. I don't want to rely. They check. They did not check. I mean, he told me the truthful situation. So in case of the need, so maybe if I need to drink this that almond milk after 8 meat. So let's say I never had this situation, but let's say some of the kids. So we will allow them to do that. No problem, because it is actually part of. And it says everywhere that it's non-dairy. You understand? That's the thing. So it's not so simple. Of course, you have to call them case by case basis. But for us, for our understanding, it's not dairy.